I've been using this Nespresso Essenza Mini for a while now, and I love how compact and efficient this is. It has a decent sized water reservoir that's really easy to fill and pop back into the machine. And there are two brew sizes, a 40 ml espresso shot or a 110 ml lungo. And I personally prefer the lungo size. And it's really easy to brew. You just lift the lid at the top, pop in your favorite original line capsule, and then you're good to go. These capsules are really easy to find too. I've even seen them at my local grocery store. And I really love that each cup is rich with a perfectly frothy top every single time. And then once you've brewed, the used capsule goes into the built in receptacle, which you can empty once it's full. And even though I have a few coffee makers at home, this is my favorite one. So I 100% recommend this Nespresso Essenza Mini.